Sometimes I'm lying in bed and I'll be thinking of my day and an idea will just come bursting into my head and I just have to get into my kitchen and bake it. I'm Alix, otherwise known as My Kitchen Drawer on Instagram, and I have been baking for near enough 7 years now, creating really fun, colourful bakes for family and children. I'm also the author of 3 cookbooks, and they were a really great way of me expressing my creativity in the kitchen. My favourite part of the kitchen has to be my baking wall, as it houses all of my ingredients, my sprinkles and my baking equipment. Our designer at Wren was great, as he really helped us get the most out of this space. So I opted for the shaker forest style because I really loved how traditional it looked, and then I paired that with the quartz worktop, which is perfect for baking. It's always been an absolute dream of mine to have a kitchen island, and it's now the central hub of our kitchen and the perfect space for me to prepare all of my bake. My top tip for any keen bakers out there looking to renew their kitchen is that you can never have enough storage. And of course, you need a fantastic oven which has a self-cleaning button and loads of space. This kitchen has completely transformed my life. It's now so much easier and more fun to bake in this beautiful space. I have the island, I have the amazing baking wall and my fantastic ovens, and I couldn't be happier with it.